In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export bookmarks in the DuckDuckGo browser. Bookmarks are a great way to save your favorite websites and quickly access them whenever you need them. Exporting your bookmarks is especially useful if you're planning to switch devices, create a backup of your saved websites, or import your bookmarks into another browser later on. The good news is that DuckDuckGo makes this process quick and easy. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the upper right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu icon. This menu contains various browser options and settings that allow you to manage different aspects of your browsing experience. After opening the menu, locate and select the Bookmarks option. This will take you to the section where all of your saved websites and bookmark-related tools are available. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area before proceeding. Within the Bookmarks section, scroll through the available options until you find Export Bookmarks. This feature allows you to create a file containing all of your saved bookmarks. Having this file can be very helpful because it serves as a backup and can also be used to transfer your bookmarks to another browser or device whenever needed. Click on Export Bookmarks to continue. Once you do, a file-saving window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll choose the location where you'd like the exported bookmark file to be stored. Select a folder or destination that is easy for you to remember so you can quickly find the file later if you need it. After choosing your preferred save location, click the Save button. The browser will then create and export the bookmark file for you. Depending on the number of bookmarks you have saved, the process should only take a few moments. Once the export is complete, your bookmarks will be safely stored in the selected location. You can keep this file as a backup, move it to another computer, or use it to import your bookmarks into a different browser in the future. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, exporting bookmarks in the DuckDuckGo browser is a straightforward process that only takes a few clicks and can help you keep your saved websites secure and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.